everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the OnePlus 15, to the phone that's been turning heads since its launch in late 2025 and is still one of the hottest flagships in February 2026. If you're in the market for a beast of a phone that crushes gaming, lasts forever on battery, and doesn't break the bank like some ultras, stick around, because this might just be your next daily driver. First off, let's talk about what makes the OnePlus 15 stand out right from the unboxing. The design is premium, yet practical. A sleek aluminum frame with glass-backed, super slim 15mm bezels all around, and that classic OnePlus feel in hand. It's 8mm thick, weighs about 211 to 215 grams, depending on the color. Infinite black, ultraviolet, or sandstorm, and it has solid IP68, IP69 dust and water resistance. No compromises here. The star of the show, the star of the show is the display. A massive 78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with 5K resolution, 1272 by 2 T772 pixels, HDR10+, Dolby Vision support, and an insane dynamic refresh rate, up to 165 Hz. Scrolling feels buttery smooth, videos pop with vibrant colors. And for gamers, that 3200 Hz touch sampling rate plus always on 120 FPS capability means zero lag in heavy titles. Brightness hits up to 1800 nits in bright daylight, so outdoor visibility is no issue. This screen is one of the best in 2026, smoother than most competitors at 120 Hz. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, the world's fastest mobile chipset right now, paired with up to 16 gigabytes LPDDR5X Ultra Plus RAM and UFS 4. On storage, options are 12 gigabytes to 56 gigabytes or 16 gigabytes to 12 gigabytes. No micro SD slot. Apps launch instantly. Multitasking is effortless, and gaming stays cool thanks to a huge vapor chamber cooling system. Benchmarks show it outperforming last-gen chips by 20–30% in CPU, and even more in GPU. It's neck and neck with the best from Samsung, Google, and Apple in raw power. Now, the battery. This is where the OnePlus 15 truly shines. A massive 7300 mAh dual-cell silicon nanostack battery is the biggest in any mainstream flagship globally right now. Real-world tests show it lasting 5 to 2 full days with heavy use, streaming, gaming, social media, you name it. Up to 31 hours of video playback claimed. And in my experience, it crushes that. Charging? 120W SUPERVOOC wire. Super fast, full in under 30 minutes in most regions. 50W wireless AirVOOC. And reverse wireless support. In some markets, like the US, it's 80W wired, but still blazing quick. Battery anxiety? Gone. Camera setup is a triple 50MP system. Main Sony sensor with OIS, 50MP ultra-wide, and 50MP telephoto with solid zoom capabilities. It shoots sharp, vibrant photos in daylight, great low-light performance, and up to 8K video recording. Colors are natural with that OnePlus tuning, not oversaturated like some brands. Selfies from the 32MP front camera are crisp too. Is it the absolute best camera phone? Not quite. Pixel 10 Pro edges it in processing magic, and Samsung S25 Ultra wins on zoom, but for everyday photography and video, It's more than enough and punches way above its price. Software is OxygenOS 16, based on Android 16, to clean, fast, minimal bloat, and loaded with smart AI features like Google Gemini integration, AI intelligent search, AI recorder for calls and meetings, AI portrait glow, AI scan, and more. It's fluid, customizable, and OnePlus promises solid long-term updates, at least 4 to 5 years expected. Haptics are punchy with the X-axis linear motor, stereo speakers sound great, and connectivity is top-notch with 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5. 4. Price-wise, in Pakistan right now, February 2026, you're looking at around 190,000 to 260,000 PKR, depending on the variant and whether it's PTA approved or not. In Bahawalpur local markets or online like Daraz, check for deals. The base 12 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes starts lower if you go non-PTA, compared to the Galaxy S25 Ultra, 300K plus PKR, or Pixel 10 Pro, 250K plus. This gives flagship power at half the cost. Quick comparisons. Against the S25 Ultra, OnePlus wins on battery size, charging speed, and value. But Samsung takes camera zoom, S Pen, and ecosystem perks. These Pixel 10 Pro, OnePlus crushes on battery, refresh rate, and raw speed. Pixel wins pure photo magic. Overall, if you want insane endurance, top performance, and smooth everything without overspending, the OnePlus 15 feels like cheating in the best way. Monster battery, blazing performance, silky 165 Hz display, fast charging, great value. Camera good, but not class-leading in zoom. Software updates might not be as long as Google Samsung. If you're upgrading or buying new in 2026, the OnePlus 15 is a no-brainer for most people, especially gamers and heavy users. What do you think? Drop a comment if you'd pick this over the big ultras. Smash that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more honest reviews and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.